Hi, I'm here to talk about Power BI menu bar, ribbon or menu bar. On the top, we'll have the ribbon or the menu bar. We'll have the home option for connecting to data, querying your data, inserting visuals, and doing measures. We'll have the insert option. We'll have option to insert visuals. Have options to insert for inserting tests, for inserting shapes and images. We'll have the modeling options. You can create measures and parameters. We'll have the view option where you can edit, you can choose the theme of your report. Also have on the left hand side we'll have the report view, we'll have the table view, and we'll also have the model view showing the relationship between your data. So back to the home tab, we'll have option for connecting to data. We can get data here where you connect to different data sources and different data types. Then we'll have options to query our data, that's transforming our data using Power Query. Then we'll have options to insert different types of visuals, different charts and visuals. On the right hand side, I have the data, the field part, the field pane, where it shows your table and the different columns of your table. Also have the format pane, here you can format your visuals